Look at that. Damn. Good morning guys, it is SoCal Supers here back with another video. Today we have kind of a cool video. So my buddy Nick has a wide body 392 and I surprised him with cutout valves, and I'll give you all the description of the company and the cutout valves for his exhaust. And the reason I'm doing this is because when the accident happened with me, Nick was one of the first guys to get there, picked me up and took me for breakfast, so I'm taking care of him like he took care of me. And yeah, let's go see how this turns out, see how louder it gets, and see if this is something you guys would like. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I haven't opened it yet and we're gonna do the unboxing right now. I don't even know what they sent me. I think they just... And you said 3-inch, correct?
Yes.
What no one wants to hear. Oh, look at that quality though. To open and close the valves. Oh, see, so look guys, you have a remote right there, and then this connects to it, connects to the valve so they can open and close. So it's wireless essentially.
This is the bracket, you're right.
Yeah. So then I guess I open these right here. So these are the valves, and I presume, yeah, look, if you look right in there, those are the valves, and you got two, one for each exhaust guys, because this is of course a dual exhaust car. I'm really impressed, I really am. Got the brackets right there. So these are the valves. Look at that guys. That feels solid. I'm gonna have to get these for my car now. So you got two of these, one for each exhaust.
Instructions, but who needs that?
Yeah, who needs instructions? Because this is all straightforward. Pretty simplistic kit, huh? Nothing crazy. But this is probably gonna... I can't wait, guys. Because, you know, Nick's car is already pretty loud. Let me get the light. But this is just gonna take it to the next level. And the beautiful thing is you can turn it off and on. So if you're driving past a police station, or there's, you know, there's a bunch of cops up ahead, you can make it sound quiet, so. Alright guys, so here we have all the parts, and can you show the directions? Really straightforward. We could have done this at home essentially, but we took it to a muffler shop just to make sure, so that way we can do it right the first time. So, well, all this is beautiful. The quality. Are you surprised with the quality?
I am.
It's, as you can tell, it's, guys, it's solid. And these look beautiful. There's something about machine the metal that just gets me going. Is that weird? If you guys want to check out some of their stuff, there's their Facebook, Spelab Racing, YouTube Spelab, and also their email right there too. Lads, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really impressed with the kit. I'm not just saying this because they sent it to me, because I'm always going to be straight with you guys no matter what, but the quality, you can tell when something isn't good quality and when something is, and I'm really impressed with the packaging, the instructions right here. Look at this, straightforward. You could do this in your garage if you have the right tools. So me and Nick are some noobs, so that's why we're at a muffler shop. And look, with the cabling and remotes and everything.
I love it.
So big shout out to Spelab. So, all right, so Nick has set up. What is at the left or right side?
Either or.
It's got some weight to it. That's what it looks like when it comes together. Pretty tidy, huh?
Yeah.
All right, lads. So here they are both together. Absolutely beautiful. Right now we're gonna get them installed on the car. We'll do a open and close so you guys can see the difference. And yeah, this is gonna be sick. Once again, really impressed with the quality, I have to say. So right now it has a resonator delete, but this is gonna make it straight out. So it looks so sweet. Look at that. I don't think it will.
I mean, I've never had anything scratch underneath my car.
It fits in snug.
So, I mean, maybe we'll do first.
That's what it looks like stock. That's what the cutout. Right guys, so he's gonna weld it right now. And that's stock. And that is with the cutout. How soon do I have that what? Alright guys, so it's all welded in and installed. And look how badass that looks. All you're missing is two turbos, Nick. And we're gonna wire it up right now and hear how it sounds. So.
You have the...
I'm gonna get the valves actually open. I think that'd be sick.
Yeah.
Hopefully I don't get blown out of it here now.
You can open it.
Look at that. That's
Tell me
so.
when you want me to start it.
Start it?
That's so badass. Oh my god, that's so Right, that's it closed. Grab it again. That's so bad. Are you happy? That is so badass. There you go, guys. 10 out of 10.
Alright.
That is badass.
Yeah.
Sleep? Yeah.
Lads, make sure to follow Nick on Instagram, pure_octane392. Because look at that clean white body.
Slowly start cutting it.
Oh, Nick, it sounds so nasty. Fuck. Alright guys, we're gonna go for a spin, see how it is. Ooh, you heard that scrape a little bit? Oh my god, Nick, it sounds good. A big shout out to my sponsor. As I said before guys, I'll leave all the information down below. And lads, for 300 bucks, honestly, you can't go wrong. I'm not being paid for this. They were nice enough to sponsor me and send me the stuff. But what do you think, Nick? You want to be on camera?
Yeah, sure.
Are you happy?
Amazing, bro. Amazing. Just excited to wire it up. So I can close it, open it whenever I get pulled over. I mean, when I'm in Mexico.
So yeah, we're gonna go for a little spin around the block, and we just need to hardwire it, and that way he can open it and close it when he wants, so that way it's not loud all the time. But lads, oh man, this thing's badass. Even your man was impressed. What was his name? Hopefully the camera is doing this justice, lads, because this thing it is loud. And just take a look at the seats, by the way. Pretty badass. This thing is so loud, dude. You can feel it in the seats. You can literally feel the vibrations in your seats. Quite saying a bit on idle. Alright lads, so we are going to go eat right now, and then we're going to hardwire it so Nick can open and close it. Now to do this install you will need a welder, so that's just an FYI for you guys, or it's pretty easy just to take it to a shop. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Damn. Come on, you little Hyundai. Oh my god, that sounds so nasty, bro.